Hello, crafty friends. This is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I'm teaming up with my friend Elena. Her channel is called Elena Jenkins DIY. She has a talent for making the cutest crafts with everyday items. Her videos are fun to watch, so check it out because you're bound to learn something fun. Now, we are doing this Pinterest or Etsy inspired. This is a farmhouse style mason jar bathroom set. I don't want to knock what they've done, but I want to tell you how easy you can do it too. So look at these pretty jars. I got this one at Dollar General for $3. I couldn't pass it up. I thought there's something I can do with this. Well, I finally found my idea of what I'm going to do with this pretty jar, and these are just two simple jars. Now, after you've washed them, clean them up really good with your rubbing alcohol because that'll take off any oils and it'll help the paint stick better. And I'm using the Dixie Belle Vintage Duck Egg. It's one of my favorite colors. And one reason I really like this brand is because it's one coat. You just put it on, it dried nicely. It's got a matte finish because it is a chalk paint. And it's ready to go. And so I put the paint on all of them, allowed it to dry, and I have been saving this little foam soap dispenser for a while because I've been wanting to do something with this. And so I am trying to match that foam dispenser, and so I covered up the little rings with a dark color. And here I am, and I'm just showing you with the truffle paint, trying to bring out some of the raised glass edges. And so you can see if you like this. I went through, did everything with my truffle paint, made everything dirty looking, and then I decided I didn't like it. And so you'll see where I actually have painted over it. So here it is. I'm thinking, I don't know. I thought it'd match better with that dark, the thing from the foam dispenser. But I just didn't care for it. And I thought, well, there is white on that foam dispenser. So I'm just going to cover it up and I'm going to use the lighter color. So I ended up giving them another coat. I whipped out my Waverly Plaster color, which is kind of a cream. And I ended up going over that with this, and I do like it better. It just shows the raised pieces a whole lot better, and it just blends a little better. It doesn't look so grungy. I just like it. So you choose whatever you think. You kind of got to see what it is with both. And if you use just a little bit of paint, it's not really overly wet, but you've still got a little bit on there, it'll pull it off pretty nicely. And if things don't look the way you want, you can always put another coat of paint on them, just like I did. Okay, so now this is kind of a neat one because it's got, it's got measuring pieces on there, or ounces. So I'm just going to give you this little recipe. If you take 3.5 cups of distilled water and 1/4 a cup of the Castile soap or Castile soap, you can make your own liquid hand soap. And this goes nicely with, if you were to use the foam dispenser, it's really nice. If you're going to just use it in a regular dispenser, it's going to be a little not very thick. But it's whatever you prefer. If you don't have that certain scent of the Dr. Bronner's, you can get the plain and just add the essential oil of your choice, probably 15 to 20 drops of it. And see, I'm just kind of showing you how it comes out of these foam dispensers. I really kind of like them. And your hands feel so clean after using this. Those are now sprayed down to match, and I'm just going to screw those on the tops. And I did my best to try and match that foam dispenser. And if a person wanted to add, wording onto this, I could have put toothbrush and Q-tips. I just didn't know if I was going to keep it this way, so I just left it plain. But I love how it turned out. Yep, you can do this too with little or nothing. This cost me hardly anything to make, and the soap was very economic too. I do want you to remember to check out Elena's channel. It's Elena Jenkins DIY. Let her know I sent you. Thank you, my friends, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.